All the way 100 though. I remember coming home back from the stove to my mama smoking crack on the stove. Back then we was lacking the dough. Never would've thought one day I'd be bagging up.
Rip Das, nigga. Untouchable. Untouchable. Been on the block too long, still running through pack. Hood guards through the hood, still rolls them straps. Niggas claiming they want me, but they know where I'm at. Shootouts broad day, but they don't know about that. Could've died a couple times, but I'm still here, woo. Come 10 times, and I'm still here, woo. Chopping hard, no heat, all I feel is air, woo. Rest in peace, thought I win it, wish my dog was here, woo. They don't know the feeling, and lose a nigga. 10 P's, but I'm moving, nigga. Sipping lean might ruin niggas, this Sprite dirty like Future, nigga. Out of town, got my shooters with me, 5 on me plus jury, nigga. Cookie shopping, I'm talking balls, you need some, get with me, nigga. I'm the best plug like extensions, pay with about this business. Ain't trying to short to get ignorant, bitch. Glock's audio fitted, ayy. Red dots, no missing, ayy. Rip dots, we miss them, bitch. Passed on, come get you if you speaking down on my niggas. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling.
Hey, hear my line about this untouchable shit. I locked in cause bro come up with the craziest shit. Like how the fuck he's so young but make the craziest flips. Run through at least 4 O's on some vehicle shit. Woo, shit, I'm poppy bitches greet me with they mouths open. Bullets hit his ass in the chest like he was wide open. Come in contact with the folks, they seem like Frank Ocean on the block posted all slapping. Got like 20 onions, Laker press, no shake. Half zip like an eighth, ain't stressed like great. When it catch one in your face, coats on, no trues. Jump man, these are shoes. Jack boy mentality, but dope boy how I move, fool. Yeah, babe, this the shit that keep your kids rich. Think I'm a lick, come on now, on my big shit. I really stood in that kitchen, that bitch was hot, I'm slaving. Steady concentrating, hit it good with pop, you can't taste it. Money.
Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling. Bitch, we still thuggin' and still hustling. Still thuggin' and still hustling.
All I ever wanted, all I ever wanted, all I ever wanted was to get my family out the hood. All I ever wanted.